So this is fun. We come to the boat. We have ants.
Trillions and trillions of ants.
Because Trevor's so sweet.
Yeah.
No, we don't have ants. But we did have a spider last week. Alright, so while we wait for Trevor to come back, here he comes. Today we are going to cut the tile. It's going to make a mess, so we're probably going to have to pull it all back up again, which is the case. And yeah, and then we're going to go get beer afterwards. We're sweeping out the counter, which we'll see kind of at the end. We'll have everything stacked up. We'll see how all that goes. We don't have a lot of time today, so it's going to be a super short episode. Right, Trevor?
Yeah.
There's Trevor.
Hi, everybody.
Well, hello, everybody. But we're getting in the middle of this. We'll probably talk about it later as we get it all put back in. And it'll be a clip thing. We're checking out how the flooring looks. We're talking about cutting either, like these panels are whole. This is one whole sheet. This is one whole sheet. Cutting either this side and having it against the wall, or cutting these ones down here and having that be the same thing. Yeah, this would be flush anyway. It doesn't really fucking matter, does it?
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, I think. I mean, and without having to get super crazy about it.
This one we'd have to measure right here, where this tile would go in here and then over and then just down. It just has to go
Well,
down.
how big is the gap in between the tiles? It's like a 1/4 inch.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I think that would give us our answer, though. If it's 5 inches.
And we can sacrifice a panel. I've still got a whole box of panels.
Oh, yeah.
So.
Yeah, they're cool. I like the look of them a lot.
I feel like we could
I think they tie in well with these.
Uh-huh.
And then if we did white, and then maybe some more like gray or dark
really light
accents.
gray down here.
Yeah.
But I wanted lengthwise because for me it makes the boat seem longer.
Yeah.
What was it? I purposely trimmed the bushes to make the deck seem bigger.
Yeah.
On that picture. All right, so we are going to do random stuff. I'm going to try and measure about how far in this would be from the end, and then around, and then to here, because it'll fit in this gap pretty well, and then it'll go out this way well. But we have enough. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, these are like a composite, right?
Yeah, you want to look at one?
Because is the
Frame?
blade gonna like melt it?
Back. Yes, most likely.
So do we need to get? But they say that they're cuttable, though.
They are.
Right?
I have, like I said, there's still like 14 in there, so.
Because they're screwed in. There's a 1, 2, 3.
As long as we're not cutting on the screws.
There's 6 screws that they basically run down the exact middle of the plank. But I wonder.
We went to Book of Love.
You said we can't go down.
You can go down wherever you want.
Well, it just won't fit, though. Is what I'm saying.
Yes, it would. What do you mean? Wait, what?
This 5 inches.
It's not 5 inches there, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no, this scoots over. Never mind. We can cut one and just see how it looks like it's gonna fit.
Yeah.
Problem is, I want to make sure that I'm right over that. So we're gonna probably just do it this way. Let's go put them right here. You know, right where you can't fucking see it because it's penciled on.
Here, use the
pen. I guess I can kind of see it in the light. That's a little better.
Did you do that same gap on the other side, though? On the top?
I did, but I'd rather do it from this, not using a. That should be.
We are now. Here, yeah, that's right.
Tell me if that looks like it's gonna go underneath all the way. We're ready to go more. More?
No, a little more.
Look at all that freaking sawdust.
Just look at it.
Would you just look at it?
All right. This seems dangerous.
We're gonna need a shop vac.
Nope. Oh, that's where the screws are. I forgot.
That's okay.
it.
This goes like this. There's a hump under there. That's all right.
Yeah.
It went through it like like butter.
Yeah, I was incredibly surprised actually. The problem is we should probably pick it up because now we have all that, or just leave it until next time and then.
I want to cut them all.
Well, now they're gonna get like all that residue and shit is just gonna be sitting in like the watery, nasty goodness.
I'm gonna have to bring a shot back anyway.
That's true. I'm incredible. Like, that acted like you were literally cutting through like some cold butter. Like,
Yeah,
I'm really surprised.
It was nice. All right, so we're gonna do more of that, and then we're gonna obviously that panel's not going here because we have to go around this.
Yeah. Welcome back to Complicated Cut Thursdays. In today's episode, we're making an L joint.
Trevor and I aren't cut. It's complicated. We have to work out more.
Wait, what's up with the weird cutout thing?
Seriously?
Aren't you just doing an L?
Are you seriously asking me that question right now?
Aren't you just doing an L?
No.
Why?
It's gonna go around this.
Oh.
We're not taking it L today, Trevor. We're just gonna go a nice little roundabout. Let's hope that's enough. A nice little roundabout. Totally the same curve.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
So this is gonna require ye old.
I would think that we'd want to have like a drill to do like these upper ones that we've done before, but.
What did we not bring with us today?
Probably not. Oh, here we go again.
It's not going to.
I would have used the circular, I feel like, and then done this part with the other.
We can.
Yeah.
The other side?
Yeah. I would do the circular on this other side.
Alright, fine, fuck. This is gonna be so messy. We definitely have to shop back after all of this.
Yeah.
I got fleas!
They're multiplying.
Alright, you gotta tell me when I'm getting close.
Well, the blade's closer to you. I feel like you'd be able to see better than me.
Oh, this is gonna suck now because I cut that side. This is gonna be an adventure.
Oh yeah, I like
Always wear ear protection, kids. Hello.
Can you maybe go down the middle and then try to cut over? I don't know.
I can just make it wider and then do it. Maybe we'll see. How we off that? Perfect.
Absolutely perfect.
I can use like a file and round it down too. Besides this one as well. I bet it fits though. Look at that.
If it fits, it ships. I mean, that's one of our best first try moments I think we've ever had.
Probably.
Except for that one piece.
I think it's because it's just a smidge snug. I don't know.
Oh, on the one side?
Yeah. It's lost out.
Well, we can always scoot this other side over a tiny bit too.
Oh, yeah, scoot it. No, this one.
Oh, now it's all wet. There we go. Did that work?
I don't know yet. Hang on. There, now we're locked in place. Now let's see how it goes back. Yeah. That'll do, pig.
Sweet. Look at that.
Definitely further around that than I would like, but we can just go.
Yeah.
There we go.
Because you can fit them on that other side too, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's cool.
Wow, it actually was able to get get splashed in the face with chunky water.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, baby.
Yeah, that'll work.
We got that chunky.
And then and next season, when it comes time to do the boat, or like to check on it in the wintertime for water, I can just go bloop, lift one of these out and just pump out the water.
Yeah.
Instead of having to try and remove every single panel or get underneath the panel weird.
Yeah, those last ones were shitty in that regard. Cool.
Alright, so we're gonna cut some more.
Great success.
With great success. We'll get back to you. We're gonna we cut all these, vacuum this up, sweep all this out. Might require scrubbing at that point because I'm enough to dry to the floor. Then we're gonna probably try and paint next time we're out because we have paint and paint accessories. Yeah, after that we're going to put these back down with a freshly painted floor and everything and hope that all holds up. So Trevor's separating the tiles now that we've tested a bunch of them. Maybe. There we go. And we're gonna sweep it all off on here as best we can. Sweep this whole thing off to get it ready for the next step. And then this will all get swept up and vacuumed next time. Because we didn't bring a towel or anything because
Don't forget to bring a towel.
All right, so after that, we're gonna get beer because that's what we do after we're done with boat stuff usually.
Yeah, boat beers.
That's attractive. Oh god, it tastes horrible. Anything else Trevor would like to add to the happenstance?
Nope. I'm gonna wash my hands.
Why? You have ants?
Cause I got stuff.
Your shoes too. All right, and it's all cleaned up. We can't sweep that up because it's in the water, and that would be a huge pain in the butt. But we swept under here, and Trevor took that back to the garbage while I picked everything up, and then we put all these tiles or tiles that are cut, and every extra tile that we have. Plus there's some right here. So we ended up with, I think, there's like 5 or 6 extra tiles that we probably won't need. So we have room for error.
Yeah, a little bit. That went surprisingly well. Like, we didn't really screw anything up in a major way.
And the circular saw cuts through it like butter.
Like bitter.
So there's the mess. We'll get that cleaned up next time we're out. We're gonna try and get some painting done next time we're out when it's warmer out, because it was gonna be a nice day today, and then it went to
It's like 40 degrees right now.
maybe I'll come out tomorrow and try and do a little bit of it myself, because Trevor works a double, I think. Right?
Yep.
Right.
Double.
And then
Double,
we're gonna
triple,
try and get a
triple.
day where we can both come out and spend like more than 2 hours at a time, which makes for hard to get things really done that you want to get done. But soon. So we will see you guys next time. We might record us getting beer. I don't know. Bye-bye.
Bye.
That's okay.
It's okay.
That's okay. Also, if you like the beard, we need more subscribers because I'm shaving it. But
Yeah.
If
Yeah.
you-
Look at this luscious thing. I've been letting it go. It's running free.